Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 Kia Stinger 2.2 CRDI GT Line Gran Turismo Auto, finished in deep black with a premium black leather interior. At the front, the Stinger's aggressive design is impossible to ignore. It features Kia's signature tiger nose grille, sharp LED lighting, and bold air intakes that give it real road presence. From the side, it sits low and wide on 18-inch alloys, with clean flowing lines, chrome accents, and a fastback silhouette. At the rear, it's all about sporty elegance with quad exhausts, a wide stance, and a sloped boot line. Powered by a 2.2-liter diesel engine, the Stinger delivers impressive torque and smooth, automatic shifts, ideal for long journeys or quick overtakes. With smart cruise control and lane assist, it's built for comfort, control, and confidence on the road. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a feature-packed cabin. You get 8-way electric front seats with driver memory, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel, perfect for year-round driving. A heads-up display and digital driver interface keep all key info in view, so you stay focused. In terms of technology, this Stinger has it all: Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, DAB radio, and a full navigation system, all controlled through an easy-to-use central screen. In the back, passengers enjoy generous legroom and premium materials, while the boot offers plenty of practical space for daily use or weekend trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote registration LG68AEW to book your test drive or request a personalized video tour.